first methods that you write when you start writing Java code is public static void main. It is the main method. But do you really know the argument of that method is? We usually just call this as a boilerplate and write our code inside that. But if you look at it, there is a parameter. Look at here. You have a string array of the name of args. Well, what is the use of that? We never use it. Well, today I'm going to show you what is the use of args. So what args really is the first set of inputs that you can provide to your program when it is starting to run. And usually this is useful if your program is running from an UI or from the terminal where you can provide your inputs directly. So in today's example, I will show you how the args value really works. So let's get into the system. So here I have an example class where I am taking the argument args and I am going to print out everything that we pass into args in the console. So how do we do that? To do that, first we need to compile our class into a .class file. Currently it is a .java file. And to do that, what you need to do is you need to go into your terminal and put this code right here. So go ahead and put that. It is JAVAC for Java compiler and then the name of your file. Hit enter. Oops, sorry, I need to go to the actual directory where the file is. So cd src. Okay, so now I am in the src folder. Now go ahead and provide the command, and when it executed successfully, you will see there is a class file. That means your code is now compiled and it's ready to run. Now what you would do is you would provide this comment. So what this is doing is Java for the Java runtime engine, example 2 for the class, and test1, test2 and test3 are the arguments that we are going to pass into the args in array. If everything works well, the three values that we pass here are going to be printed out into the console. So let's see how that works. And as you can see, the three values got printed out because args had your three values and this loop took each value into the string s and printed it out. So that is how you use the args argument in the main method.